G'day, welcome to Trader Boat TV. Today we're on the Grand Banks 41 Europa. This is a really interesting boat. This is powered by Zeus, which is from Cummins MerCruiser diesel. The reason we started this little bit of footage on that playground in the background is that the Zeus system, which has rear-facing drivable pods, also has something called Skyhook. It's like an invisible anchor. It connects to satellite technology and your GPS and holds you in the exact same position and heading, which is the direction that you're pointing, hands-free by just engaging the engines in and out. And the beauty about that is, say you needed to get ready, prepare your boat for mooring and get the mooring lines out and the fenders, you can do that on your own and know that the boat's not going to drift down the bay. If you look over my shoulder, that playground's still there. Hey, hands-free. And the best thing about Zeus, well, Tony Mackay here is going to do the story on the Grand Banks 41 Europa. He put it in perfect words. Zeus makes driving a boat like this child's play. Over to you, Tony.
Thanks, David. We've got a pod control here, and it's all done just off this one little lever. You can move forward, you can move backwards, you can go side to side, you can spin the boat. However you want to drive that boat, it's all handled on that control. Of course, your standard controls are here for when you're going up the bay. We've got synchro, we've got troll, we've got everything engaged there. We've even got the smart start system. You just touch the button and the engines start themselves and stop themselves. It's all here. It's so simple to use. It's fabulous. Hi, I'm on the bridge of the Grand Banks 41 now with Jimmy Thorne, who was the delivery skipper from Melbourne. Jim's had big experience with Riviera and Princess cruises, and he brought this boat up. Tell us about the trip.
Yeah, well, it took us 6 days. It's about 900 miles. Yeah, it's pretty good. We had good weather.
Speed?
Around 17, 18 knots.
And what was the fuel consumption?
About 120 litres combined with that. It's good.
She's a beautiful boat.
Yeah.
May I have a drive?
Certainly. There you go.
And we're off. Grand Banks are renowned for their cunning storage ideas, and this is a really great one for the dedicated chef. This is called a magic corner, and instead of losing that whole corner cupboard, this one slides out and then it pulls straight across like that, accessing the corner. All done with 2 fingers. It's just fantastic. Magic corner.